Hello everyone, I am Professor Vaibhav Shah. Welcome to my channel. In today's lecture, lecture 23, we'll be learning how to draw a tangent and normal to cycloid. If you like my content and teaching style, then like and subscribe to my channel to show your love and support. Now, let us begin. So here, our aim is to draw tangent and normal to the curve from a given point Q. And here, our curve would be cycloid. So now this is cycloid. So if you don't know how to draw a cycloid, then refer my previous lecture on cycloid. Now, let us mark point Q on this cycloid. For your case, let us suppose this point Q is in between P4 and P5 points. Now, after that, select on your rounder distance between C and P points, which is also a radius of your rolling circle. So select on your rounder radius is equal to CP. After selecting this radius, try to put your rounder at point Q and try to cut in between C4 and C5 like this. Now, if you have selected points in between P4 and P5 here, it is compulsory to cut the points C4 and C5 here. So always remember, if you have selected points between P4 and P5 on your curve, then it is compulsory to cut the points of your center points C4 and C5 like this. So we have cut these points by your CP radius. After having this point of intersection on your center line, you have to simply draw one vertical line. This vertical line will give one point on your directing line like this. Now specify this point as your end point. After getting your end point, you have to simply join this point with your Q point. You will be having your normal. And if you draw 90-degree or mutually perpendicular line to this normal, you will be having your tangent like this. Now specify this pink line as your normal and this orange line as your tangent. Very easy. So this is all from my side. If you enjoyed the lecture, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to show your love and support. Keep learning, stay connected. Bye-bye.